Hey guys, so this is going to be a before the flip type of video like Mark Ferguson has on his channel. This is one of the pieces of property on this, or it's a dwelling on this property rather, and it was like a garage conversion. And we've already had the driveway repaved so that it can accommodate more parking. So let's go inside. We'll do a little bit of landscaping just to nicen it up. So once you're inside, you walk into the living room area. The ceilings are a little short, but it's a really cute feel inside of here, except for the kitchen. I'll show you that in a minute. So, you know, just basic living. Kind of has a big, like a big space here when you first walk in. And here's another view. Okay, we're gonna move into the kitchen. This flooring is going to come up. One, because it's really ugly, and two, because it feels like there could be little dips at certain places, so we just need to check on the subfloor. But in here, they just had an array of cabinets and different, I don't know, DIY type things. And it's not the best because, as you can see, the windows like are kind of disguised. But what we had up here was actually the gas meter, and that's recently been removed. So that's a step in the right direction to clear up the space. Yeah, people who were here before, they really like took advantage of every nook and cranny. The fridge is pulled out right now. We were trying to get to the gas line, but this is pretty much all the cabinetry, all that there is for the kitchen. So what we're going to do is let me move over here. We're going to take these cabinets, get them out, because those are not really kitchen cabinets. So we're gonna remove those. And I think we're gonna put a little cabinet right here. And like we just figured, I don't know, they need more counter space to do like coffee or I don't know, any kind of an appliance. So looking over here like that. We'll probably also paint the kitchen. I don't think there's any other rooms we're gonna paint just because of the area that this is located. We don't really need to do things like that because it is painted. It's just not like the most desirable, but it's clean and freshly painted. And actually there is a little bit of good storage space over here behind this shelf. There's two shelves, but it's like a really good for pantry storage. This is actually really great storage. Again, with the very small windows, and that's the hot water heater back there kind of tucked away. So again, we're gonna do new flooring. We'll again paint because like that's really ugly. And then we're gonna head upstairs. And I do not like this narrow, ugly staircase, so we'll see if there's something we'll do about that. But again, we're mostly just gonna focus on cleaning this place and making sure that we'd be comfortable having someone live here. So when you get to the top of the stairs, there is like, I guess like a half room. Technically the city counts this as a room. I don't know how, but they do. And because you can see that the slant of the roof really takes over the whole room. So I don't know how you would put something here. And it's not like doored off or anything. But off here to the right is the full-size bedroom. And has two windows. Look at that. At first it's like, wow, there's just so much going on in this space, but I think that this is pretty cute. They could put their bed right here and they could use this as their closet and use all this space over here. Just, I don't know, as space. They may end up with more space in this bedroom than I have in mine. So, yeah, some of the windows we have to replace like this. Some of them are just like painted shut, and we can't have that. We need a fire escape. All right, so moving on here again, we're in like that half room or whatever. I think this would be a good office area for someone right here, and maybe some storage bins or something, but I mean, the heat is right there, so you don't really want to block it off. And then lastly, the bathroom. The flooring is in pretty good shape. It's tiled, so we're definitely going to keep that and clean it up. It even has like an additional little storage closet. Again, this is more storage than I have in my own house. This looks like a random thing, but look, it was left behind because it's kind of deep drawers. I think this is awesome. This window we're going to replace because we need to. And then we're left with the other parts of the bathroom. So this tub is also tiled. Again, we're gonna keep it just as is. The only thing we might have to focus on is this corner over here. You can kind of tell maybe some work has been done, like the tiles are, they're not flat, so I don't know. And there is a little mark below on the first floor, so we have to take a look. We already did run the water for like 5 minutes and we didn't see any leaking. So maybe if there was an issue, it was fixed. So I don't know. Actually, I'm noticing something right now. How do you turn on the shower? I don't see the little levee, the little pulley. Maybe as soon as you turn these on, it comes out. I don't know, we'll have to play with that. And we won't leave the shower curtain, obviously. We'll clean up the toilet. And then there is some like rusting on this radiator, so we'll probably paint over this. And as far as the sink area goes, we're going to like try to find one of those supports, just because we don't feel comfortable just kind of leaving the sink dangling on the wall. So we'll just get a little support. I think I've seen one like supports with storage actually, so that'll be helpful. And if possible, we will, oh yeah, it comes from this side. We'll paint and do some shelves in here too. All right, and then the last part is the side yard. I think this will be a really good renting feature for someone because they get a lot of backyard space. So they get like a single family house with a lot of backyard space, and the neighbors, their fence fell, a tree fell on it. So they're replacing the fence, but I think this is great. And if we get someone who might be willing to cut the grass, then we'll probably put a shed up or something right here, and so that we can bring over a lawnmower and they can have access to that to mow the lawn. And then here's the back. So yeah, this one has some challenges, but we're really excited to get it going and get it rented. That right there is the 2-family on the same property. So a 3-family, we have 3 doors on this one. All right guys, thank you for watching. I can't wait to bring to you the final walkthrough so you can see what kind of work that we did to get this place rented. Bye.